friends, welcome to Crest class. I am Monica and today we will study fractions and decimals. Okay, we have already done decimal numbers in class 6. We will quickly revise the concepts of decimal numbers. So we know that numbers like 0.2, 8.36, 5.03, all these are decimal numbers. Here we have a decimal number. The portion in front of the point, this is called the point. In decimal numbers, this dot is called the point. The number before the point, to the left side of the point, this is the whole number part. 214, this is the whole number part, and this portion, including the dot, including the point, this is the decimal part. This is point, this is the whole number part, and this part to the right side of the decimal along with the part which is to the right side of this point is called the decimal part. Now how we will read this number? 214.252. Whenever we read decimal numbers, we will read this whole number part as we read whole numbers. This is 214. 214 point, this dot we will read as point 252. 252. The digits in the decimal part will be read as individual digits. We will read them as 252, not 252. Now let us see how we can place them in the place value chart. See, this is 214.252. This is the whole number part. How do we write whole numbers in place value chart? This is the ones place, this is the tens place, and this is the hundreds. Ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds. Now when we go to the right side of this point, how do we write them? As 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. This is tenths, not tens, tenths, TH, tenths, hundreds, thousands. This is how we have made the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, tenths, hundreds, thousands. To this side there is no ones. So this is how we have placed this number in the place value chart. Suppose we have a number . Now how we will write in this chart? See the whole number part. This is the whole number part. This is 528. How we will write? 8, 1. This is ones, tens, hundreds. This is tenths, hundreds, thousands. So place ones below ones, then comes tens, then comes hundreds. Now to the right side of the point we have 3, 0, then 2. So this is how we have written the number in the place value chart. Let's take another number. What we will do, we will write ones, tens, hundreds. Now this is tenths, hundreds, thousands. Now how we will expand it? This is 200. 2 is on the hundreds place, so 2 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus, while expanding the number we don't have to place the point. We will straight write, after 3 we will write plus 6 multiplied by 1 by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1 by 100 plus 1 multiplied by 1 by 1000. So this is how we will expand the number. You will expand the whole number part. As you do whole numbers, you know how to expand whole numbers, and then in addition you will write the expanded form of the decimal portion. Now let us solve these sums. Write in expanded form. See, whenever we have to expand any decimal number, first of all you write their place values on top of them. This is the point, so this will be ones, tens, hundreds. Here this will be tens, hundreds, thousands. This will start from tens, not ones. To the right side of point there will not be ones. This will be ones, tens, hundreds, and to the right side will be tens, hundreds, thousands. Now you write in the expanded form. Now 3 into 100, this is 300, plus 8 into 10, plus 1 into 1, plus this you can place in brackets if you want to, plus 6 into 1 by 10, plus 2 into 1 by 100, plus 1 into 1 by 1000. So this is how we will expand the number. This is 381 plus, now this is 6 tenths, 6 into 1 by 10, this is 2 into 1 by 100, this is 1 into 1 by 1000. Now we will see which number is greater. See, whenever we compare decimal numbers, first of all we will compare the whole number part. We compare the whole number part as we compare whole numbers. The one which is bigger, the decimal number will be bigger. And after that we will compare the tens, then hundreds, then thousands. See, in this question 0.7 and 0.6. In both these numbers we see the whole number part is this. This is the same. It is 0. Now we will compare the decimal part. In the tens place, here it is 7, here it is 6. Which is bigger? 7 is bigger than 6. So 0.7 is greater than 0.6. Now let us see this number. 2.03 and 2.30. See these two numbers. First we will compare the whole number part. Both have 2, so they are same. Now we will compare the decimal part. In the tens place, this is 0 and this is 3. Which one is bigger? 3 is bigger than 0. So this number will be greater. 2.03 is less than 2.30. So we will compare each digit one by one and see which one is greater, and then find that which number is greater than the other. Now let us do addition and subtraction of decimals. See, we have a question. Add 5 kg 300 grams to 3 kg 250 grams. Now let us write them in decimal form. 5 kg 300 grams can be written like this. Now we will write this also in the decimal form. 3 kgs 250 grams is this. Now we will add them. You have to remember that the points should be written one below the other. They should be in a line, one below the other, and accordingly we will write the digits. Ones in ones place, tens under the tens place. Now let us add them. We will add these numbers as we do whole numbers. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 5, 3 plus 2. We will place the point here below the point. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we get 8.550 kgs. How much less is 28 kilometers than 42.6 kilometers? So we have to see that what is the difference between them. How much is this much less from this? What we will do? We will subtract them. Subtract 28, we can write like this, 28.0. Now we will subtract them. 6 minus 0, write the point below the point. They should be in one line. Now we will carry 1 here. This becomes 12 minus 8 is 4. Here we are left with 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 28 kilometers is 14.6 kilometers less than 42.6 kilometers. We have taken the difference of the two numbers and we have found that 28 kilometers is 14.6 kilometers less than 42.6 kilometers. So this is how we can solve our sums. See, if you have to study in detail these concepts of decimals, you can watch my video of class 6 decimals.